Well, welcome back again, folks. Thanks for keeping it here, every one of y'all, through all the problems I've been having and the shitty videos I've been producing, and not what I usually produce. Not near as many as I usually produce. Usually it's all guitar stuff, but those of you who've been here a while know what's going on. And new subscribers, I would suggest, until I get over this, look over some of my older videos. There's some playlists in there that some pretty good stuff in them I think you might like, until I can get back into it again. But a whole bunch of you have been asking about wanting me to make a video of just my health. What happened to me? What's going on? So I thought, you know, the way I feel right now, I don't feel like working on anything. The shit came back. I hope you can see it in the camera there. I think you can. It's on both arms, my chest, my neck, throat. My eyes are almost swelled. Well, they're not swelled shut now, but they are every morning. You can see what kind of condition they're in. Got medicine, creamy shit all over me. Eye drops. It makes you lose focus. So what happened? Well, late in December last year, I had to go to the hospital. And I was in the hospital. They thought I had all the symptoms of a stroke. Okay? Didn't have any of this stuff then. But just very shortly, they couldn't find anything related to a stroke. All the tests they did for like 8 hours. Anyways, I'm over that. I never had any more problem. I don't know what happened, but just got up one day and was disoriented, couldn't walk, didn't have no balance. My speech was even slurred. So we went to the hospital and they couldn't find a thing wrong with me. Anyways, this developed immediately or shortly after that. I've had this shit for 5 months, man. I've been battling for 5 months. I can't even count how many doctors and hospitals I've been to. And now specialists. And, well, they put me on these, well, first, they did a biopsy on my arm here. Sent it off for skin samples, and it came back and said I had both psoriasis and eczema. And a specialist said, you ever seen anything like that before? He didn't think he ever heard of anybody having them both, or being diagnosed with both of the son of a bitches. Like one ain't bad enough. So anyways, they gave me a shot of steroids and put me on steroid pills. I know the name of it, but I can't think of it right now. I'm just too miserable to think. Anyways, the pills work immediately. Every day I could get up, I could see this stuff, you know, going away. It was slow as hell, but every day it was a little bit lesser, you know. And if you watched all my videos, then you know it got down, it was completely going except right here, and I ran out of pills. Well, I ran out of pills once before that, and it was clearing up good. Ran out of pills. That was a woman doctor. She wouldn't give me any more pills because, you know, you can't keep taking steroids like that. But when I ran out of her pills, it came back, and then I went and saw the specialist and my personal doctor, and they suggested to go back on the steroid pills, try it again, and like I say, it cleared all up at these 2 places. And then when I ran out of pills, it came back. I mean, you can see it's all over my arms, man. Everywhere, except right here it's not. But it probably will be. It's all over my face, it's on my head, it's in my eyes, it's not in my ears this time, yet. Knock on wood. That ain't even wood. But he said, the specialist said the reason it kept coming back probably was because, you know, they would doctor the eczema and the psoriasis would stay there, and it would bring the eczema back somehow. So he's trying to doctor both of them and have me on the steroids again, which I ran out of. The shit came back. This is like the 3rd time, or 4th time maybe, at 3 at least, that it's came back. Now, I got another appointment with that, with my personal doctor, the end of this month. This is May. I don't know when you'll see this video. It's May. I don't know what the date is right now, but it's about the middle of May, I think. The end of the month, I got another appointment with him, and I know he's going to send me to the specialist again. But I'm going to tell that doctor and the specialist, you know, if you guys can't do something for me, you know, I'm not coming back. I mean, give me enough pills to get this out of my system completely. Maybe it'll stay away then. But, you know, I'm not coming back after this next visit if this continues and they can't help me. I mean, what's the use, man? There's a lot of home remedies and things you can do, but one of my grandfathers taught me that you can do, the mind is an awful powerful tool if you know how to use it. And I think I know how to use mine. I have before, and it worked. Maybe should have done that to start with instead of screwing with these quack doctors, man. I don't know. But, you know, we didn't change anything here. Wife uses the same detergent, same dishwashing liquid, same everything. Nothing changed. Nothing has changed. So, in my eyes, besides the poison, that means that I have developed allergies toward something. You know, you can use something for years and it not bother you. And then you can develop an allergy for it as you get older. And we're thinking maybe that's what it was. So maybe she could start trying new things, like change a dishwashing liquid or change a laundry detergent or whatever, one thing at a time, you know, and see if this goes away. It'll probably be the last one out of 25 that she changes. You know, that's my luck usually. But that's all I know, really, up till now, from the hospital stay until right now. That's all I can tell you about you know, what's going on and what's happened. Like I say, I'm going back to my doctor on the, I forget, maybe the 29th. I know it's toward the end of this month, May. And I know he's going to send me probably to that same skin specialist. I'm thinking so. He might send me to another one, I don't know. But I'm going to make it clear to them that, you know, something's got to be done, man. This is just miserable as all hell. I mean, I can barely stand it, you know, and it's all day long, every day, it's all night. My wife has to tape my arms up like that, tape them up tight so I can't scratch any of that, okay, and I don't scratch it. In the daytime hours when I'm awake, you know, I can, if I start to scratch it, I stop immediately. And I know that one scratch is not what's making, you know, this. One scratch, I catch myself and I stop doing it. And that's not enough to do this, man. There's something else driving this shit, and it is relentless. I hope none of you guys ever get it, man. Lord, I hope none of you ever have to deal with it, because it's I've never had anything like it in my life. I had eczema once when I was a kid. It was on the back of one leg. And I remember my poor old mom putting everything on it. It took me to different doctors, and she said the only way that's going to get better, this is when my grandfather too told me about some mind power that I never believed in, you know. I'm still questioning it, but as a last resort, you know, I'll try anything. I'm at the point right now, I will try anything, man, to get rid of this. So anyways, I had it when I was a kid. My mom told me, she put everything on it. She said, do not touch it, don't touch it, do not touch it, don't do anything to it. And it was, I remember I was less than 10 years old, but I can remember it taking what seemed like forever to get rid of the stuff. I may have had psoriasis with it then, who knows, but it was definitely eczema. But I remember she kept putting all kind of crap on me. I think she was experimenting a lot, and I don't remember all the things she put on. She wouldn't remember now either with the dementia she has. But eventually it went away. Finally it did go away. This time I'm not having any luck. I can make it go away, and I don't know why it keeps coming back like this. But stay tuned if you want another health video or the updates to come. Just say so in the comments, and I'll make another video like this. I'm sorry you have to even make a video like this, folks. I'm sorry that my videos are not teaching you guys more stuff and doing actually hands-on repair stuff. I can't see, man, and feeling like this, like a burning sensation, like you are up against a red-hot stove all the time. I mean, I'm not getting any breaks from this. The only breaks I got was when, you know, it was almost gone. That went away. And it started coming back, and that feeling started coming back to me. It is just miserable. You can't work on anything or do anything when you're like this. I can't even concentrate. I'm just constantly, you know, wanting to jump in a tub of cold water, if that would help, to cool this burning sensation down. It's just, it's horrible, man. I don't know what I did. I must have pissed a man upstairs off big time somewhere. I don't know what, but I've never had anything like this. I'm hardly ever sick a day in my life. And that's funny because all the blood work they did came back mostly all good. And he said, you're healthy as a horse as far as everything we checked you for. And they checked for a lot of shit, so they said. The other 2 times, those doctors only checked for a few things. And they didn't check everything like the specialists did, but didn't find anything. Anyways, I'm sorry for the shitty videos, and sorry to my patrons. Man, thank you guys for hanging in there. I know several of them have left, and I don't blame them. I mean, you know, but the ones that are still there and pushing for me, hoping I get over this and start making videos again, thank you so very much. Subscribers, same thing. Thank you for keeping it here. If I live and can get this under control, I'm gonna make you guys some good content. So you'll be paid back for keeping it here if you're still here by then, if that happens even. But anyways, just want to say I'm sorry. A lot of y'all, a bunch of you, wanted me to make this video. So, and I was just usually on Sunday nights. This is Sunday night here. Usually on Sunday nights I make videos. It's a habit, or just the order that everything falls under. So I thought, man, I feel so damn bad right now to make a video of doing something, or a quick clip tip. I'm burning up right now, man. I don't mean sweating. Well, I am a little bit too, but. And I thought, well, enough people, a bunch of people want me to make this video. I wasn't really going to make it until the shit came back again. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to make it tonight, give you an update on the health issues. And that's really all I know right now. If you want to know more later on, you know, after the end of this month, say so in the comments. I'll let you know how it goes and what happens after that. But if the doctors don't help me then, I'm going to take matters into my own hands. And I'll probably get over this a lot quicker than you might think. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys, every single one of you and gals, for keeping it here through all of this and putting up with it. You can look through all of my old videos. I don't think that you'll find a single one of me complaining about my health issues, because I never had any health issues. But here lately, it's been in all of them. So if you watch a video where I don't mention anything about my health, it's probably been before the last 6 months or 5 months anyways. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Thanks for your thoughts and prayers and kind words. That means a lot. I appreciate it. And I will try to see you on a video not very far from now. Cheers to you.